To set, press and hold home button function on your Galaxy Watch to power off menu. You can do so directly from your watch setting menu and from the wearable app on your phone. As the example, we will do so from the wearable app on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. On your phone, go to the app screen, find wearable app, and then tap it. Tap watch setting, tap buttons and gestures. Under home button section, tap press and hold, and then select power off menu. To see how it works, press and hold the home button on your watch to instantly go to the power off menu. With this setting, you can shutting down your watch faster and effortless. It's a simple trick that saves time and adds convenience to your daily use. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.